Good morning. It's pretty late, but rain, and I have a short day, so I slept in.
Town hall, church is behind, and the albergue is the post office. A friendly town. Fortunately, a lot of things are closed down. Voy Romani. I've been walking bits and pieces of Roman road sections since I left Vezelay. Coming over to see me. Good day. It's 10 o'clock. Come on, son. Road walk. A little windy. Cows. Check out where Ron slept last night. This is an old laundry place turned into a library. How cool. Amazing. And guess what? There's fish. I could watch this fish swim around for hours. Quack! Mushrooms.
Definitely the neatest library I've ever visited. Super cool. Time to go. I love Camino surprises.
Tree. See if there's any non-rotten ones down here.
A nice candidate.
The church. Holy moly, look at this mess of blackberry bush in this abandoned house's yard. I don't know. Ooh, they're mushy. Brown cows and a chateau in the distance. Not so sunny sunflowers. Cute rest spot. Reading. La Grenot.
I'm on a bridge. Forget it. I'm just walking. Like, too miserable.
Was a dual crossing here. La Nievre. Another shot from the other side of the bridge.
It's pouring. No dancing.
Wow, that's some deep mud. I have arrived at the gite.
Had a shower, sitting by this warm fire. This is a shout out to Heiko. Cheers and thank you very much for this beer.
Cloakroom. You leave your backpack and your shoes down here. Anything you want to bring into the gite, you put into the little basket. 2 toilets and 1 shower stall. The kitchen and well equipped, plus a fridge with wine and beer inside for sale. Living room area of the gite. And a lovely fire adding some heat. If it wasn't raining, you could hang your clothes up outside. Sleeping area up the stairs.
I had a wonderful dinner, salad and chicken and potato and ice cream and a cheese course. Really, really delicious.
There we go.